Have you ever wondered what a centralized exchange is or what a decentralized exchange is? In this video, we'll be learning everything you need to know about centralized exchange or CEX or Decentralized Exchange or DEX. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and do so now. Remember, we're here to learn the basics of crypto trading, how to trade crypto the smart way. So many times you have used a centralized exchange without even knowing it. So you must be wondering, what is a centralized exchange? A centralized exchange, abbreviated as CEX or CEX, is a platform through which parties or individuals can safely exchange digital assets. So whenever I talk about digital assets can be your crypto assets. Okay, you can exchange fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat. That is through a centralized exchange. And you can exchange cryptocurrency from one cryptocurrency to another. You can exchange BTC to BNB, from BNB to Ethereum. So that is what centralized exchange offers you. Centralized exchanges operate as custodians and require users to deposit their funds into a single server. All right, so this means that the private keys of these assets are owned by the exchange, and the exchange is responsible for the security and hardware that runs the exchange software. All right, so you'll be wondering, what are the attributes of a centralized exchange? So many times you have used a centralized exchange without knowing what are the attributes. So the attributes include: the private key is stored on the server. That is, the private key is the key that is unique to your account alone, and it is stored on the server. And all your info is stored on the server. That is whenever you're opening a cryptocurrency trading platform, they ask you to do what? To verify your account and to do KYC, know your customer. By doing KYC, you submit all your documents and everything that involves you creating the account. All your info is stored on the server. Funds are stored on the server. So your funds are stored on the server until you want to move them from one exchange to another, or from one account to another, or if you want to eventually withdraw them to your bank account. I made a video on how to withdraw your Binance Funds account to your local currency, be it Naira or whatever. Click the link up there to view it now. Now we have various examples of cryptocurrency centralized exchange. The most popular on the list is Binance, so followed by Coinbase Exchange. We have KuCoin, FTX, Huobi Global, Kraken, Gate.io. In fact, there are over 300 centralized exchange that have been verified. Okay, there are over 300 centralized exchange that have been verified. You can actually check them out, but the ones that are popular and the ones that have the highest trust score are the ones I just mentioned to you. If you want to register on any one of them, check the description box below and you see the direct link to register now. The rank scores, just like I've mentioned, are based on the traffic to these centralized exchanges, the liquidity, the trading volumes, and the confidence of users on this exchange. Also note that centralized exchanges are prone to being hacked. Whenever you are trading on a centralized exchange, make sure that you have this in mind. Don't put all your funds on a single centralized exchange. If you are using Binance, also try to use Gate.io or KuCoin or some other exchange. Spread your funds, okay, so that you don't wake up one day and you hear that, oh, we've been attacked, our server is down, and we'll be back in the next 3 months, and all your money is stocked and you are depressed and you don't have anywhere to run to. Okay, make sure you spread your funds across several exchanges. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The Englishman will say that. Okay, hope you understand what I'm saying. So that is that about centralized exchange. So we go ahead to look at what a decentralized exchange is all about. So decentralized exchanges are types of cryptocurrency exchange which allows for direct peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions to take place online. Okay, so you might have used them before now, but you don't know what they are actually. You might have used PancakeSwap, you might have used Uniswap, you might have used DEX severally, but you don't know that you're actually interacting with a DEX or decentralized exchange. So a decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer marketplace where transactions occur directly between crypto traders. Okay, many popular DEX include Uniswap, Sushiswap. Okay, we have other swaps like the PancakeSwap that runs on the Binance Smart Chain. So we have over 120 verified decentralized exchanges, and the top 5 on my list include the PancakeSwap, the Uniswap, DEX, Sushiswap, Radium. Okay, the list is based on trading volumes, market share of DeFi markets. So that is a decentralized exchange. It's very, very easy for you to do what? Understand. So one of the key features of decentralized exchange is that what? You are the sole owner of your security. I'll make a video on how to use PancakeSwap. Okay, lest we forget, a centralized exchange match buyers and sellers via an order book. A crypto exchange order book consists of 3 parts. We have the buy orders. So this is the buy orders, okay? And we'll have the sell orders. So let me just change the color to indicate the sell orders. So we'll have the sell orders. So this is the sell orders. And we have the trading history. So just a recap. In this video, we'll be able to look at what a centralized exchange is, what a decentralized exchange is, examples of centralized exchange, and examples of decentralized exchange. If you have not registered on any of the centralized exchange that I mentioned, check the link in the description box below. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, comment, share. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be available to answer all your questions. Remember, we are here to make money. Remember to trade smartly. Remember to trade responsibly. See you on the next one. Peace out.